What are TikTok coins? Well, interested? Let me guide or explain you. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll explain you what TikTok coins are and what they are used for. That TikTok is recognized as one of the world's most popular social networks, it wasn't a bad idea to figure out a way to monetize the app. Now, this is where the app currency TikTok coins comes into play. The way you want to buy and spend TikTok coins is totally up to you. If you don't want any part in it, no worries, it won't have any effect on your TikTok account. But if you are interested in what this virtual currency is, then let me help you. Well, coins are TikTok's in-app currency that users can purchase with real money to show their love and support for their favorite content creator. Now let me show you. If I open up here and if I go to live my following, and here you can see live right here. Now down below on the bottom of your screen, just beside your comment section, you can find recharge option. Now here you can buy your coins, and these coins that you buy can be used to gift it in live to others. It's a way to tip other creators for their content. Well, on the other hand, creators can take the gifts that they receive and they can turn them into diamonds, and which can be cashed in for real money. Different coins have different values each day, meaning the cost for them will fluctuate. This is basically saying that you might not pay the same price today for coins as you will tomorrow. So if you are looking to try it out just once or twice, keep an eye out for lower prices because TikTok coins are non-refundable. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.